Yo, what is up, guys? I'm here with the Shenanigans group. We're about to do some shenanigan stuff. Sun's going down. It's the best time to ride. She almost killed me with a cone. What up, Bree? Always blowing me kisses. You know how it goes. I think we're going to fuel up right there. Man, these gas stations, they be trying to sell me into some stuff, you know? Alright, so I just want to go ahead and give you guys a little walkthrough of my FZ07. Shout out to Ruben for the plate setups and the LED lights back here. Shout out to Bree for these new levers that I just installed today. And also shout out to Ruben for these LED front signals that he gave me as well. Bree's a real MVP. She's a fan. She's my biggest supporter. What up, gangsta? Shout out to you for the levers.
You're welcome.
They're great.
Anytime, Pedro.
Like, that's not awkward. They're too bright for me, but I like them.
I feel air through them. They feel good.
Oh, it must be nice. I don't feel shit through these. Hey, she almost killed me. She hit the cone, and the cone almost hit me.
I can't hear you.
I said I almost died.
Why?
She hit the cone, and then the cone almost hit me.
With that car?
No, the cone.
I'd have been pissed if I had slid out.
Oh yeah, I saw that too when they cut him off. We got the famous Chris over here. What up, Chris?
Type the address in your phone.
I know where it is.
Kickstand. He's always forgetting that kickstand. I gotta change this to where it shows my temperature, 189. Okay, perfecto. Hey, we got the same ones, huh? Oh, the destination we're headed to right now, we're going down to Red Robin. And it's a good thing we're heading down to Red Robin because I'm hungry as fuck. I haven't ate all morning. I ate breakfast, but like since the morning I haven't ate. What the hell was she doing? Goddamn, 25 bucks for 4 gallons? Hey, you struggling? What's wrong? Turn it. Yeah, I was gonna say switch it around. Wow. Alright, so we got Peter, Griffin, Jack the Runner, and Billy Bob. Yeah, I'm not missing anyone. Alright, cool. What does that mean?
Save my drive.
I don't know what this means, but I know what this means. Go like this? $5 and I'll smack her ass. I'm gonna drive by and smack it. She's working. She's working. Do it. Yeah. Bree always gives me that content. Yo, what's up with fucking cars cutting us off and shit? You cut one person off, you cut us all off. That's how you did it. Don't do that. Here, let me back up real quick. He just kill switched me. Oh, lucky motherfucker. I was about to kill switch him too. If I'm not wrong, I believe that's Billy. What up, Billy? Unless I'm mistaking him for Bob. Nope, Jack. Who the fuck cares? Yep, standing up on my seat like always at 50 miles per hour. Alright guys, for the next video, $5 and I'll go ahead and slap it. She watches my video, she's gonna be like, this motherfucker. Yeah, good job. Yeah. What happened? I can't hear you. Oh. I had to get my... I had to kill switch him. Oh, look at them holding hands. I want to hold hands. Yeah. Yo, I want to hold hands too. What the? I did not just see that. Take my burp, motherfuckers. Yeah. Hey, this one's for Bree. Hey, what you laughing at? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Yeah. She cool now. She gave me a fist bump. Oh, okay, I see. Red Robin. That's where we're going. We're looking for Red Robin. It's hot. Red Robin. Pink. I'm guessing it's where those people. Huh?
Red Robin. No.
Okay. I don't understand. Shh. Look at that bird. There's Jude. It's not really a meet. It's only to go eat and get a discount. Yeah, alright.
Thanks, Shay.
She's getting into her hoe mood. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Pew pew. She found him. I wanna go meet him first. Where's the famous TikTok dude? Is he here?
He's with his girlfriend and his baby. Come on.
Is he?
Famous TikToker?
Famous TikToker?
Yeah.
Where is he? Hey! Yeah.
We came here to plug you, bro.
We came here to bug. What's up, man?
Y'all knew I was here from my bike. Didn't you?
Yeah, I see your bike. What's up, little man? Hello. Count it. He's asking my friend.
Yo, we just got done eating some Red Robin. I had a good ass fucking burger. We got Bree right here. What up, Bree? Fuck you, Bree. Oh. She said my titties, my melons are everywhere. Yeah, she can't hear me. I said your melons are everywhere. We're going down to Walmart right now. We're gonna do some shenanigans shit. We're gonna get some Chulies. Evacuate. Hey, Bree. Fuck you. Fuck you, Bree. I guess we're the only cool ones. Everybody else went around. Never mind. Bree's cool too. She made it. Everybody else not so cool. But she made it. Dale. Yeah, Bree's cool too. Oh yeah, guide me. Hold my front.
Ready?
What's going on there?
What's going on?
She stalled.
Got a little bit of glass.
Ooh.
You straight up push it.
Hey, is this where we get free Chulies if we run out?
Nigga, we can burn out in this motherfucker.
Can you do a wheelie? Okay, bet.
Pick them up, everybody.
Alright. I can't see. Bye.
Thank God
Bye.
I didn't see that.
Oh. Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Bye, sweetheart.
What are we doing here?
Chulies. Ooh. Oh. Don't do that. Careful. There's a rider. Whoa. Hey, do a wheelie.
Do a wheelie, do a wheelie. We have no insurance.
Oh, no insurance.
You got license for, you better have a license for that shit.
Where's the alcohol?
Straight ahead, you fucking alcoholic. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, get the black case.
I know, bro.
Yeah, bro. Oh. Oh.
$30.
Oh.
Nigga, I'm walking away.
$30. I gotta go smoke a cigarette. I don't smoke cigarettes, guys.
We're not gonna do nothing.
We're not.
No, don't get it off the camera.
Alright, just go start up the motorcycles. I'll meet you guys outside. I'm running with this bitch. Put it in the
We
backpack.
didn't do nothing.
Hey, just open it and put the cans in my backpack. Let's go. Restricted. Hey, we need assistance.
I need to see all of your IDs. That's great. Have a good night. 2099. Awesome. Thank you. Have a good night.
Dude, it's a fake ID.
You so totally rock. Alright, you two. I'm going to show you how we get down. This is our mule. Say hi, mule.
Hi, mule.
We're going to show you the process.
The process of getting down. Have a good night.
Add extra weight to him.
Fuck, they brought us over to a trap. Hey, are we live on news? What happened?
Which street do you live on? There was a homicide.
Homicide. Oh, really? Damn, are we live? Ah, you think I can say hello? Can I say hello when you guys go live? Ah. Oh, we got the popo. Fuck the police. Yo, what is up, guys? I left the gang because I told my friend I'd make it to her little kickback here at the Venetian. So here I am. Yeah, here I am. Alright, looks like I'm here, and now I don't know how to get there. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, y'all. Peace out.